The forest, a dangerous place. With nothing but our own two hands, we will venture through the obstacle course that is Mother Nature on this episode of Zeal versus Nature.
We just arrived in the forest and it's brutal. The trees are so thick I can barely see 15 feet in front of me. But like any good survivor, we need to find food and water, and fast! We should split up and look for as many resources as possible.
The forest is an unforgiving place, so there's no time for lollygagging. To find food, you want to look for traps set up by illegal poachers to find some freshly caught animals, because in the forest, you never want to waste energy.
Hydration, the very foundation of life. Most survivors use their own pee as water. But in a forest, there are wild animals. So you need to use your pee to mark your territory. Luckily for me, I have a urinary problem and a misdiagnosis of a missing kidney. So with the advantage of 3 kidneys, I am able to mark my territory vigorously. While you're marking your territory, make sure you have a strong scent. So I recommend eating a bunch of asparagus before you go. Also, drink a healthy amount of water. 1 glass for 7 days gets a very dark orange color. So, allow me to demonstrate.
In the forest, you don't want to waste your precious time setting up camp. Fortunately for us, Mother Nature supplied us with a safe haven, also known as a public bathroom. Here we will find fresh water and companionship.
While my fellow survivors are obtaining resources, I'll need to create a fire for when the food arrives. Contrary to other survival shows, don't use a stick and some wood. Take out your lighter and then a rock and then start scraping it to create a spark.
Looks like I found the trap, but with one catch. I'm its bait. Unlike what experts say, you do not want to take a rock and lodge it into the trap, because rocks have feelings. Instead, what you want to do is look for a nearby wild animal and lodge it into the trap. Unfortunately for me, looks like there's a lack of wild animals out here. So, when worst comes to worst, use my only brother's son's uncle technique, which is to look for a release switch and pull it down. Looks like I found it. And I'm free. If it wasn't for that release switch, I probably would have been stuck in the trap for ages. Always have a plan, people.
When looking for water, search for vines. When you get to the vine, remember to nick at it and start sucking the sap. Now remember, you gotta drink it to see if it's poisonous or not. That's a good suck.
If you need to find a bathroom, look for a bush. As so. But oh no, I forgot toilet paper. But you know what they say, leaves are nature's toilet paper. Always look for leaves of 3, the angel soft of nature.
Hey, look! A wild animal. We must approach it without caution.
Hey, that's my dog!
Now that we have our meat, time to take it to the fire. You hear that? Something's lurking here in the forest. Always be prepared with your bear flashlight, bear spray, and bear grills.
No.
broken. Broken.
Ow. Please.
Oh, it's a dude. Whatever happened to Survivor 3?
Didn't he go to get some water?
Hey guys, looks like he's not barking anymore.
Forget about him. Looks like our roast dog is just about cooked. Remember, don't be afraid to try new things, because in places like Korea, dog is a regular item on the menu.
So remember, if you are ever lost, the wild is a dangerous place. So you always want to split up. That is our lesson for today, and see you next time on
Zeal versus Nature.
Yeah, Mom, someone stole Kaiser, dude. It was weird. Yeah.